Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali Bulur. I'm with the Bulur Parole Immigration Group. Thanks for joining us today, this morning. I unfortunately have bad news. The Board of Immigration Appeals just came down with a decision, Matter of Del Carmen Lara, which basically overruled a Matter of Arrabally decided back in 2012. And Matter of Arrabally basically provided relief for folks who travel on advance parole, permission to travel abroad and re-enter legally, and as a result be able to adjust status, get a green card, get on with their lives, with their families, with their spouses, with their kids, moms and dads. And this today's decision basically reverses their own precedent. The Board of Immigration Appeals, they decided this case over 10 years ago, and they just reversed themselves. And it has huge consequences, particularly for people who have green card applications pending or are, wanting to file. For example, a lot of DACA folks, a lot of TPS folks who perhaps were paroled in or came without authorization to this country, and at some point, they're able to adjust status. Perhaps they have a spouse, perhaps they have parents, perhaps they have kids who are U.S. citizens that want to reunify the family. Under the old system, up until this morning, so it's not really that old, they could ask for permission to travel abroad and come back with authorization so they can lodge that application for a green card. Now they can't. And this really puts a monkey wrench in an already broken and stressed immigration system that it's going to add thousands upon thousands of cases to immigration court roster, to USCIS backlog, and essentially it serves no one. It really serves no one. You don't have to be an immigrant advocate to figure out it does not serve anybody, because it stresses the immigration court system. We're unable to actually deport criminals as efficiently as we'd like to. It creates an inability of people to adjust their status and get documented. We're preventing people from getting documents, and then we say we have a lot of undocumented people in this country. I wonder why. So this is a terrible decision. It's hopefully not hopefully, it will get litigated in federal court, but for the foreseeable future, people who travel on advance parole and hope to adjust status upon return, they're out of luck. The only saving grace, the board issued this decision, prospectively. So after August 2026, after this month, it'll go into effect, and people who travel on advance parole, upon return, they may be deemed inadmissible. Furthermore, without Arrabally, which now we don't have, if somebody's here without authorization for 6 months and leaves, they're barred by law from returning for 3 years. If somebody's been here for 1 year without authorization and leaves, by law, they're barred for 10 years. So Arrabally prevented that if those folks had an advance parole. And now, those bars will be triggered, and people won't be able to travel for family, for business. It does not serve the economy. It does not serve the society cohesiveness, happiness. It really is a terrible decision. If you have plans to travel, if you are an advanced parole and your plan to travel is in September, not August, please check with your immigration attorney. Feel free to give us a call. We're happy to provide advice. But this is really changes a lot of things on the immigration front, at least for the foreseeable future, until and if this decision is overturned by a circuit court. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining. Again, my name is Ali Bulur, Bulur Parole Immigration Group. My sidekick, Alex Carl, is not in today. That's why I'm doing solo. He's actually up in our Idaho office. So, yeah, have a good day. and keep in touch with your immigration attorneys or call us.